How long I got?
Months, 12 on the outside.
Jesus, how long have you been standing there?
Long enough. Oh, don't you fucking start it. I'm fine. I fucked up, all right? And I quit the booze the next day, didn't I? I look back at my life, and all I see are the messes I made. I fucked it up. Every step. And I ain't got time to fix it. I have this habit, see, of pushing people a long way. Because I'm a bad man.
But it doesn't have to be that way. And if you're even like 1% of the person that I knew, then I don't think you really want to do this.
And the truth of the matter is I'm bloody terrified, mate.
Call 911!
You're 90 over 60. It's low.
You don't fucking say. Don't need your help. Just fuck off and let me die in peace, would you? Oi, oi.
I called you like 15 times. I was worried. I thought maybe you were...
Yeah, you and me both.
He needs to know the truth.
Get there.
It is the most humane thing.
Humane? You're pulling his feeding tube so he starves to death, right?
Hughie, it's what he wanted.
How long before,
A couple of days at most.
I'm sorry, son.
Don't.
Funny what you think about when your time's up, isn't it?
He saved me, okay? More than once. So I owe him. Please wake up, my friend. I've been inside his head. That guy's a piece of shit, but it doesn't matter. I don't want to be someone who leaves people behind. I want to be someone who saves his family. And for better or worse,
Hughie! No.
his family.
Go there. For me and Lynn, would you?
And now you want to be motherfucking Teresa?
I know.
Hughie, I asked you something.
And I'm sorry.
Hughie, some people are just past saving.
So I'm sorry. For,
I just need some air.
You don't want to be saved.
He could have dragged me down with him, but he didn't. There's still something good. He called me right before it happened, and I didn't pick up. Why didn't I pick up? I mean, maybe I could have seen it coming. I could have ever wants us to chat about some stupid fucking James Patterson book that he's reading, and I couldn't even give him that. And now they're saying that even if he lives,
yeah, well, I'd know what I'd want. Quick lights out, and the alternative. Sitting there, stewing in your mistakes. As you wait out the inevitable. I appreciate what you're doing here for me.
you get better, okay? You get better, and I will talk to you for hours. You can read the whole fucking book to me if you want.
Magic. I'm sorry.
Butcher, what are you doing? Butcher, you don't do this! Butcher!
I almost threw in the towel like a bleeding twat. We're harder than that.
How'd that happen?
You alright, mate? You was right the other day. Things are good. I know we've been through some shit together. You're always like my canary. I wished myself dead more times than I can count. And now here I am. Well, I want some more time. I don't have it. Goodbye, Hughie. You ain't even fucking real.
I'm Hughie. I'm right here.
Thought it might kill me. All it did was bring up the big day.
What the fuck? You're my hero.
Thank you for taking such good care of our boy.
It's not gonna hurt. And I love you.
I love you.
I'm not fine. I'm really not fine. Dennis and Annie. Dennis and so much.
Come on, son. Come on, son.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Shit. This is your phone. And here we go.
I know what this looks like. With everything that we've been through together, I have never once asked you to trust me. I am asking now, the way you used to trust Lenny.
I'm leaving this world with nothing to show for it. And that scares me more than anything.
I'm right here. I'm not gonna hold on, okay? You can go.
Goodbye, Hughie.